Okay, there's version B. D equals 3 continental Z e to the minus 2t. Evaluate D when Z is 65,000. Invisible times e to the minus 2 times small t 6.8. Test that in the one go. Just go for it. Oh, like 3 times 65 times shift ln, which brings up e. Negative 2 times, literally type it as it's written, don't stop, just keep going with that, equals 0.241. There, 0.242. Part A, part B, transpose to make t the subject. So t equals 3z e to the minus 2t. So get small t alone. So 3 and z look like two things, but they are in fact one thing. So we can go straight under 3z times e. So 3z was a times, it's now a divide. E now has nothing to its left, so E goes across, turns into ln, and it ln's everything that was hanging about there. Minus 2t falls down, becomes big. We need to get t alone, so the minus 2 is to go across. What's minus 2 doing? Well, it's not being a minus 2, that's not what it's doing. It is multiplying by minus 2, so multiply things turn into divide things, and that's fine. It could be nicer than that, but that's fine. Answer books wouldn't leave it as that, but it's fine. It's mathematically fine. It's just not tidy or nice, but there you go. It's perfectly good. New 2a. Transpose 2a. Transpose. How do you make something I don't know become 256? Power of 4 would do that. How do you make something that I don't know? How do you make something I don't know become 256? The power of 4 is what makes it become that. Therefore, take the 4 over, make it a root of 4, or the fourth root. And what's the fourth root of 256? It is 4. Great, x is 4. B, I'll take a new page for B, just it might end up being a bit bigger. Solve the equation. How do you make 5 turn into 2x? Well, that's nonsense. Plus, how do you make 5 become x? No, also nonsense. Equals, so this will be a rules kind of one. So, are they all 5, 5 and 5? Great, so we've got log stuff plus log stuff, so plus means times for the wee end bits. Log 5, 2x times x is 2x squared, 2xx, equals log 5, 72, log 5, go away. It now turns into nothing to do with logs at all. Take the 2 under, make it a divide. 72 divided by 2, I'll just save working by putting that. So what squared is 36? X equals 6. And negative 6 is the answer. But oh, it doesn't matter if it's there. Minus 6 squared is also 36. 6 and minus 6 Doesn't matter if you put 6, that's fine. That's fine. 3a. The y value, oh good, there's one there, equals 4 ln some strange thing a that we don't know times an x coordinate if we knew it. Oh good, we do, that's wonderful. So the y value, if you know it, yes I do, 4 times the ln of, so it says ax, but it could quite conceivably say xa, so x is 3. Rather than writing a3, 3a is nicer than a3. If you want to write a3, perfectly fine, it's just not very normal, but you can. A times x, x times a, just 3a looks better than a3. So this 4 can come on, what am I doing here? Finding a, right, so the 4 comes under, comes a divide, yeah. ln is now exposed, nothing to its left, ln turns into e when it flies across, I'll do quite a big e, and then that stuff becomes a wee power, 3 goes under, so e 5.221 all over 3 equals a. I press those buttons, shift ln, which brings up e 5.221 divided by 4, I press equals then divided by 3, 1.23 will do me. And hence write out the full form of the equation now that you have found out what a is. So I'll write, so I'll do it up there. So it's y equals 4 ln 1.23x. I didn't know a, I didn't know a, rewrite that same thing except here is a in it. Right, now, hence change the formula to x, so it's y equals, so now that you have found a, change the formula to subject to x, 4 ln 1.23x, change to x, 4 comes under, ln x, ln's exposed, goes across, becomes e, 1 over 4, 1.23 underneath that stuff. So this version C to come next.